Ever lost track of that amazing video you found and can't remember what you searched for? Let's dive straight into how you can easily pull up your YouTube search history and rediscover those hidden gems. First, on your YouTube homepage, look to the left-hand side. You'll see a menu. Scroll down until you find an option labeled History. Click on that. Now, you're on your history page. Notice at the top, there are different types of history. We're interested in your searches. To view your search history, you need to select the Search History tab. It's usually right next to Watch History. Click on that. And there it is, your entire YouTube search history, neatly laid out. You can scroll through to see all your past searches. If you're looking for something specific, you can also use the search bar at the top of this history page to filter your searches. Just type in keywords related to what you're looking for. Want to remove a specific search? Simply hover over the search query you want to delete and you'll see a small X appear next to it. Click that X to remove it from your history. For more control, you can also manage your history settings. Click on the Manage All History option, usually found near the top. This will take you to your Google activity page where you can pause history altogether or delete it in bulk. Keeping your search history accessible helps you find videos faster and even refines YouTube's recommendations, making your content discovery even better. Happy searching!